Welcome back. Cooking is all about people, and food really has the power to bring everyone together. No matter what culture, everywhere around the world, people get together to eat. Radhika Gounden shares with us today an appetizing pasta which will certainly bring people to your table.
Namaste. Welcome to Sadhana's Conscious Cooking on S3. For our pasta dish today, we need the bow tie pasta. We have red pepper, some chopped green peppers, walnuts, some dried herbs, basil and some chopped parsley for garnishing. We need some olive oil and some salt for seasoning and some freshly ground pepper. Now once our pasta is boiled, we're going to prepare a roasted red pepper and walnut pesto to combine with our pasta. To start, we have a pot of boiling salted water, and to that water we add our dried pasta. So we add a little bit of oil to the boiling salted water so that our pasta does not stick together. We've drained our cooked pasta, and as you know, the test for pasta, it has to be al dente. It must be soft enough to bite but firm to the touch. I'm going to put it into our mixing bowl. So once we've drained, you toss it in a little bit of oil again so that it doesn't clump up and stick together. You want to keep it nice and loose so that when you add your roasted red pepper and walnut sauce, it clings to the pasta quite nicely. So now I don't think that's going to stick. I'm just going to leave this aside here while I get my roasted red pepper and walnut sauce going. For our roasted red pepper and walnut sauce, we're going to char grill our roasted red pepper and place it in a paper bag to sweat. So when your pepper has been properly charred, you can see it's blackened on all sides. Then you put it into a bag that can be sealed properly, and we allow this pepper to sweat a little bit so that we can start cleaning it up and slicing it ready for the roasted red pepper pesto. So I'm adding first my roasted red pepper, and don't forget to add in the juices as well, because that also adds to the pesto. It gives it a nice flavor. I'm adding in some dried herbs, fresh basil, and our walnuts. Walnuts lends itself very well for pesto, and I recommend, I'm going to keep a little bit for garnish as well. So I'm going to add our olive oil, salt, our freshly ground pepper. Okay, so let's get started. Our roasted red pepper and walnut pesto is ready, as you can see, and I'm ready to toss it into our hot pasta. Okay. I'm going to garnish with a little bit of chopped parsley, roasted red pepper and walnut farfalle pasta. Enjoy.